QR code for Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a QR code for your Google Drive files. So let's get started. First, open up your Google Drive by simply heading over to any of your favorite browser and simply head over to your Drive files. So let's say I want to create a QR code for this particular file over here, which is a doc file. So I'll simply I'll make sure that just click on this share button over here, and before copying the link, I'll make sure that this link is available to anyone with the link. So always make sure that anyone on the internet with the link can view. So it's selected to anyone with the link. So once you do that, then only copy the link from over here, because now anyone with the link can easily open the link which you'll be sharing as a QR code. So once you copy the link of your particular file, simply head over to any of your QR code generator on the internet and simply paste your URL. I prefer this one. And once you paste your QR code, you can simply increase or decrease the quality of your QR code as well from over here, and simply click on this create QR code. So once you click on it, as you can see, it has been successfully generated, and you can just click on download PNG, and you just have to wait for a few seconds until it's generated and downloaded successfully on your device. As you can see, my QR code has been successfully downloaded. You can even view it just like this, and you can share it with your friends so that they can scan your files to open your file. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.